Wi-Fi 6E tri-band mesh Wi-Fi cover up to 7200 ski. Left with next-gen seamless Wi-Fi and make dead zones and buffering a thing of the past. 2 brand new 6 GHz band. Experience the latest frequency of Wi-Fi. True tri-band speed. All 3 Wi-Fi bands work together to unleash your network's total speeds up to 5,400 Mbps for 200 devices. 6 and the incurs 202 Mbps is 2402 Mbps. 2.4 Mbps. 3. Our cybersecurity commitment. TP-Link is a signatory of the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency's CISA Secure by Design pledge. This device is designed, built, and maintained with advanced security as a core requirement. Unlock the full potential of Wi-Fi 6. Opening the 6 GHz band will change the game for Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 brings about upgraded performance in network efficiency and capacity, whereas the advantages of Wi-Fi 6 are not fully realized while competing with transmissions from Wi-Fi 5 or other radios. The 6 GHz band is available only for Wi-Fi 6 traffic, allowing Wi-Fi 6 to meet its intended potential AI-driven mesh. Deco AXE75 delivers smart Wi-Fi that follows you wherever you are and without interruption. It automatically learns your network environment, client quality, and user behaviors. Easy. Setup and management. The Deco app helps you set up your network in minutes with clear visual guidance and keeps you in control even when you are not home. Works with Alexa as well. Turn on or off. Guess Wi-Fi by simple voice commands TP-Link HomeShield. TP-Link's premium security service keeps your home network safe with cutting-edge network and IoT protection. Free features. 1. Basic network security, including security scan and IoT device identification. 2. Basic parental controls. 3. Quality of service. 4. Basic weekly monthly reports. Visit TP-Link website for more information. Works with all internet service providers, such as Comcast, Charter, AT&T, Verizon, Xfinity, Spectrum, RCN, Cox, CenturyLink, Frontier, etc.